Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review Baseus earphone. We have reviewed quite a lot of different earphones from this brand, and this is absolutely my favorite brand, and in fact I'm actually using their earphones for quite a long time. This particular one, and since then I have this one, so I'm actually not using my AirPods anymore, so it's that good. Now this is another variant actually, and I'm very curious how this one is. Now let's have a look at the box, see what we have got in here. So the name is BP1 Pro. It has got 50 decibel of adaptive hybrid ANC. So ANC means active noise cancellation. Up to 55 hours of battery life. This, in fact, it is like that. So I mean the battery life of these sort of earphones are extremely high. So it has got 6 microphones together with AI, which actually helps to have a clear calls. It's IP55, which is splash resistant and in-ear. So pay attention, this is an in-ear basically headphones. Most of the ones we have reviewed, they are actually the ones that they are hanging on the ear. So this one is in-ear, so which means it goes inside. So it's a new one, so I'm very curious how it looks like. Here we have got a little bit more info about this one, but pretty much the same thing. Now let's open it up and see what we have got. There we go. And here we are. So quick start guide. Let's have a look what we have got in here. So on, powering on and off. Open the charging case and remove the earbuds. And when opening the case for the first time, the earbuds will automatically enter pairing mode. To turn it off, place the earbuds back in the charging case and close the lid. Pretty easy, so nothing magical. Let's go a little bit further here. For pairing, we need to turn on the Bluetooth and look for Baseus BP1 Pro. They have got the touch surface actually, that's pretty cool. Around 3 seconds in order to manually activate pairing mode. Tap and hold the circular touch surface on the both earbuds. Okay, that's we understood. And multi-point pairing, well, this is a very important one. I'm always looking at this one, so I don't want to disconnect and reconnect them, so like the X50 which we have had before, but these ones actually can be connected to multiple devices. Connect the earbuds to device A, then turn off Bluetooth. Connect the earbuds to device B, turn on the Bluetooth on device A. The earbuds will automatically reconnect. Sounds good, pretty easy. And the touch controls, so we have got double tap to answer or to end, play or pause, triple tap to activate voice assistant, tap and hold for 2 seconds, reject calls, noise reduction and transparency. And you can customize touch control in the Baseus app, so pretty cool actually. They have their own app which can control these ones. And what else do we have? This is the app to control this, so that's the first time actually we are looking at this app, so I'm very curious what they have inside. Charging. So red light means 0 to 20%, 20 to 40% become yellow, and 40 to 100 become green. Cool. And factory reset. So in order to factory reset this one, we have got to remove Baseus Pro from device Bluetooth setting and tap and hold the circular touch surface for both earbuds for 8 seconds until you hear the prompt tone. Okay. And well, that's pretty much it, I would say. Let's open it up and see what we have got. This one we have seen it many times, and USB-A to USB-C, and there are a couple of different right, so we have got different sizes of the earbuds. So it comes in this one, so it's the first time that it comes in a plastic. As you know, they always have like a paper design. So let's see what we have got. By the first touch, feels like a brilliant quality, I would say. Looks amazing. very shiny, very nice feeling in hand, actually really smooth. Just check it out. So really nice, smooth and flat, pretty cool. Now the first thing, I feel like looks pretty elegant, I would say. Interesting design. So this is our basically charging point, this is the microphone, this is the pods themselves. So pretty soft, I would say, and very easy to dock it and close the lid. Quite cool. So now it's green. All right, now let's try to connect this to our phone and see what we have got in here. I take one out, I go to my Bluetooth, and I actually have got Baseus BP1 Pro. I connect it to my phone and it's connected. There we go. So now I would put one of them in my ear. It's already connected to my phone. All right, let me connect the other one as well. So the active noise cancellation, I think, is on. Now it's ANC off. All right, so I would connect one of them to the microphone. Now I turn on the ANC. Let's turn off the ANC. Now it's off. Right. Okay, I would say actually in terms of the quality of the music, perhaps I would give it a 7 out of 10. I would give it a try to a kind of voice. I would just search something on YouTube. So sample voice test. Let's see. I feel like this is gonna be quite good for voice. For voices, actually, it's pretty cool. I would say it's pretty cool. When I turn on the ANC mode, actually, I can only hear my own voice. I don't hear anything else. It's actually pretty cool. And when I turn it off, it's actually like blocking completely everything. In total, I would say it's a pretty good earphone. However, I think the best would be for this one for meetings or so on, because to me, actually, I have a very good experience with different headphones. I have reviewed at least hundreds of earphones, different models, different brands, and so on. So I would say this one definitely something really good for the meetings. I'm going to definitely use this for my meetings, and then I would have a better idea about this. So if you guys have any questions about this one, let me know down below in the comments. All in all, I would give it a good rate, actually, as I said. So I would personally prefer this for voices, basically for talking, calling, and so on. It's very light, the battery is good, and the ANC is perfect, I would say. So if you have like noise around, especially if you are in a working area, or if you are in the street or in a cafe or whatever, so I think it's a very good thing. So this ANC is a very good functionality, and especially they are using some AI mechanisms as well, together with 6 different microphones. So pretty cool, I would say. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, as I said, let me know down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you, and bye bye.